Are you bored of the usual Minecraft launcher and want to get yourself a good client? Then you have come to the right video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Feather so I can help you. Click on the browser, type in Feather client, click yes, click on the first link, and then download it for Windows. It will start downloading. When Feather Launcher is downloaded, double click on it. It will start downloading over here too. When it's downloaded, just click on yes if anything pops up. Then sign in on your Minecraft account. You can close the browser as well. And now that I'm on my Minecraft account, and now I will show you how to download mods on Feather clients. So just click on mods. Let's say you want to download Fabric API. Start typing Fabric API Modern. Click on Modern. Choose the version that you have downloaded, that you want to download Fabric API for. Just click on download. Just drag this mod that you have downloaded to over here. And now that Fabric API has been downloaded over here. Don't mind that I have mods over here because I already downloaded them. You can download them as well if you want to. Now I will show you how to add skins. Let's say when download the dream skin, right? Just type in name MC dream skin. And come to over here. Just click on the download button. The skin will be downloaded. Drag it onto this file in the skins thing. And then you will have your dream skin. Click on apply. And you would have your dream skin. Now I will show you how to create servers. Just click on come to servers. Click on create server. Choose the things. I prefer these, and then choose a name for your server. RoniExplains test, and then just choose your IP with fed.federmc.gg. Let's say RoniExplains tests, and then click on create server. Say accept, and then your server will be created. If you want to edit the server, click on the settings thing, edit server, and then you can edit them over here, save server. Or if you want to delete the server, you can click on yes. You can add some mods, you can add some plugins. And if you want to start server, just start the server, type in the IP, and it will automatically start. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I hope you have a great day, and I hope that you learned something from this video.